he said it's like feeding deer at the feeder. He said they're easy pickings right now.
He said feed them and shoot them.
I got a question, Chris.
What's the question?
What's up with the TBSS?
Oh, we're giving it the sauce. She is getting...
It's gonna get the full pill.
all the sauce.
Getting saucy?
Yes,
What
yes.
are you working on right now?
I'm about to set that giant supercharger on it, hook up some fuel injector connectors, put some spark plugs in it, and see if it fires up. It's gonna be rowdy. It's gonna be a great time. Had by all.
I know, right? It's not another cake.
Just a regular SS with nice mufflers.
Yeah.
We won't say nothing. We won't say
Huge.
Oh,
Huge,
whoa.
bro. Huge.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. Found the other one. Hey, it's still alive.
Dude, I'm gonna be out Monday running Boston Marathon, so good luck with the edit.
Oh, bro. I don't know how you do that. You're nuts. I wouldn't be able to make it here to there without throwing up. I used to run a lot in soccer, dude. I used to run miles all the time.
Yeah.
But that was back when I was in college. That's a long 20 years ago. Not anymore, bro. I can't. 20 years ago, dude. Gee, we're getting old. 2022. Quick intro. We have a new C8 Corvette got dropped off. Looking for our full exhaust package. We're doing American Racing long tube headers on it with our stainless catback exhaust. Catback usually is 15 rear wheel horsepower. Headers are around 15 rear wheel horsepower, so hopefully somewhere around a 30 rear wheel horsepower gain is where we're looking at. But mainly the customer just wants a badass sound. It's gonna have that no matter what. Mr. Ryan on sticks. Down on his stock C8. Fuel line, unless, oh. Bam. Yeah, so this is gonna go around the fuel line on the intake on the passenger side. The fuel line. It just wraps it.
What's up, dude?
Sweet videos.
You saw the video already?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Word.
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of arm cam when you take off because the clutch is really gradual.
Yeah.
Arm.
Heavy clutch too.
It's heavier. That's why I want a lighter one.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a little bit of arm cam and
Sweet.
see you later, man. Thanks.
power. Made good, decent power.
Alright. C8 Corvette, baseline. This is a 2022. 428, 415, 457, 444. Look how much torque and horsepower across the whole board. I mean, right here you're talking, look at that, dude. That is sick. Pretty much 30 rear wheel horsepower. I was pretty close. Pretty close for my prediction. It's about, and it sounds phenomenal, dude.
A lot lighter too.
Oh yeah, the exhaust itself, yeah, just from the stock muffler alone, I think we saved, what was it, 40 something pounds?
With the stainless, probably a little less. But
yeah, it was like, yeah, 30 something, and then the titanium was like 40 something pounds, I think, the weight difference. But this customer actually wasn't in town. We had another couple show up with a 23 C8 that they'll be getting in a couple weeks. So they wanted to hear the sound of it, so they got to hear it on the dyno, and I went ahead and took the wife for a ride in it, so y'all should see that in this video.
Cool.
So they have a 19?
Yeah, we have a 2019.
What color is it?
Elkhart Lake Blue.
Oh.
We did Borla exhaust to it, and then they have a 2023 on order. So I'm gonna show them what this sounds like with the exhaust on it. Have you ridden in a stock one you said before?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do windows up so you can hear what it sounds like. There's plenty of room in these.
Yeah, when I rode in that other guy's, I didn't think there was no room, but this one has room.
Yep.
I don't know what the difference was.
It's got the nice suede. I think it's a 3L, the 3L
Oh,
tees,
this
whatever they
is-
call them.
yeah.
They come with the
Is this
the
a
suede. It's a package.
Convertible?
No, just the top. Only this part comes off. If y'all
Oh,
did a
like it's a
convertible,
T-top.
correct.
Okay.
It's a single. That's like a T-top.
Okay.
Yours will be the whole top comes off. It looks so good.
That's what I want.
It looks so good. So you can actually hear the exhaust now.
Yeah. Even as it shifts up, it
Yep.
makes that noise.
Yep. Like I said, when we slow down, the way it downshifts the piece, it makes it sound so good.
Oh, there's another one.
Yep. It's a yellow one.
Damn, what
There's
is this,
another-
Corvette Row?
There's another one. That one's going back to our shop.
Oh.
I'll make a right turn and we'll just get on it just a little bit and come back so you can hear it.
Okay. Now, are you paddle shifting or
Nope.
it's automatic?
I'm doing automatic.
Okay. 'Cause that sounds cool.
Check this out. So, you ever done it with the two-step?
No, I don't
Watch
paddle
this.
shift. Wow.
Does that sound good?
It does sound good.
It goes fast 0 to 60, doesn't it?
Yeah. We were at 60 already?
Yes, ma'am.
Damn.
The way this transmission and the way it's geared, first gear is really steep. So it goes 0 to 60 really fast.
Wow.
If we would have stayed in it, I drive a lot of high horsepower cars. So to me, about 70 or 80, I could see it needs more horsepower. That's by adding the headers and stuff. And it
Oh.
helps it keep going faster.
Okay.
Where stock, about 60, it feels good, and then it kind of slows down to me.
Yeah. Because we don't race ours. We just drive them.
Yep. For
I
the
just
sound.
wanted to sound good.
That's why, again, I do the catback only first, and if you tell me, oh, I want it louder, then we can put the headers on it.
Okay.
But I think it'll still sound.
Yeah, it sounds good.
And then when it downshifts, it sounds really good.
This is awesome.
So in race mode, it holds the gear a lot longer. And that's how I have it. So I'm not paddle shifting or anything, it's doing it all by itself.
Oh, okay.
But when I did it, it's called the two-step. I have it set so when you can hold the brake, and I floored it when we first took off, and it goes to a certain RPM, and then takes off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you just have to put it in the right setting for it. So when you're at the people that race like the drag strip from a stop, you do that, and the computer does everything else kind of for you. It's really cool.
That is pretty cool. Yeah, that sounds good. See, my orange car sounds better. The 07 sounds better than the 19.
With the
Because
exhaust.
it's got, yeah, but it's got headers.
Yep.
So it does that vroom, vroom, vroom when you slow down.
The downshift.
Yeah.
Yep. And this one, if you do it just
Oh, yeah.
like right there, like from the, it goes, but you'll hear
Yeah.
just a little.
That's what I like. Yeah, we were debating on whether we really wanted one or not. Now I really think I do.
Man, these drive so nice.
That's what the guy in our club was saying. It just shifts so smooth. Like on his, you couldn't even hear it shifting. But I want mine to hear it. So,
Yes.
yeah.
The dual clutch train, so like your 19 is the 8-speed automatic and has a torque converter in it. So the time it takes to shift the gears, you can actually kind of feel the car
Yeah.
kind of push you forward and then back. This thing is just
Yeah, that's the way
pretty
he showed
instant.
me. You couldn't even tell it was shifting.
Yep, it's awesome. Now with the exhaust on it, you hear the note change.
Yeah.
You know,
That's so cool.
that's why I love it. The first, like when I did mine, just the exhaust, I felt like I was in a supercar.
Yeah.
I felt like I was in a Ferrari and a
And
Lamborghini
that's
and everything
how-
else I've done.
That's how muscle cars should sound.
I'm with you. That's why when they did it, like they do have it where it opens up and it's supposed to be loud from the factory.
Yeah.
But you don't hear the exhaust.
No.
I mean, not like this.
It's like we have a 2012 and it's got the one where you can turn it on or turn it off.
Yep.
I can't tell any difference.
Yeah.
You know, then it's with the sound, you still can't hear it.
So with the newer, like a 19 or like a 17 or 19 with the dual mode, if you have the dual mode factory mufflers,
Yeah.
and if you do the headers only, then you can hear it.
Oh, okay. Oh, God, that sounds good.
Yeah. You see how the downshifts?
Yes.
Little pop to it when it shifts every once in a while.
That's so cool, though.
I love that. Like,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
like that right there.
Yes, that's what I like. That sounds really good.
Alright guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all that new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications. We have a lot of C8 action coming your way. This one I hope you enjoyed. Comment below and yeah, let me know what y'all think our next twin turbo C8 will put down. We were planning on doing it next week. I want to hear your predictions. Post below. Until next time guys.